We're Mud Gang Pottery CIC, a small community-engaged pottery studio currently based at Hart Club, opposite Lambeth North Station. Set up in 2019 by Rachael, Nilsson and Imogen Bellotti, it's an inclusive space where people of all ages and levels of experience can learn about ceramic techniques and be free to express themselves creatively. Currently, we run a number of affordable, flexible workshops with our local community and have makers who are members of our studio and produce a wide variety of work. As a community interest company, we run and collaborate with others to work with vulnerable groups and deliver charitable campaigns. We have previously worked with dementia therapy groups and the Camberwell Incredibles, facilitated by Hart Club, a gallery promoting neurodiversity in the arts. Most recently, in June, we delivered 90 clay kits to children in our area, receiving free school meals through 198 Contemporary Arts and Learning and the Childhood Trust. However, we've outgrown our cosy little studio and would like to move to a more accessible and larger location that will enable us to run more charitable workshops from our own space. We plan to move to Old Paradise Yard, just a stone's throw away from our current studio space. We would really appreciate your help with trying to grow and be able to give back even more to our community. Our goal is to raise £15,000 to help with equipment and setup costs for our new space, from wheels to kilns to shelving for storing work. There are a variety of rewards available for your generous donations, from prints to handmade mugs and classes, as well as the option to pre-order membership to our studio. Please take a look at the full fundraising page on Crowdfunder for more information and help us reach our goal. Thank you.